I want to thank you for coming out to our open house and customer appreciation. It means the world to all of us here at the branch. Had a really good turnout, looked to have about 150 to 200 customers and employees and neighbors come down and celebrate with us as we open or cut the tape on a renovation. So it's important to us to bring the customers out to not only appreciate them, but also to see what we've done. We're investing in the community and in the branch here in Lexington, Kentucky. We want to continue to invest in Lexington, Kentucky and the community to better serve our customers. So some of the renovations that we've done is we've actually added on several thousand square feet of parking lot space and another entryway. So now you can actually pull in, get your parts and pull out without having to wait for people when they come in and out. We've also added a sales office, a conference room, and 2 other offices. The investment in the property is going to be continuous as we continue to grow and invest in the community. We have a great team here in Lexington, a young, eager team, and I think that's what sparked the addition, is that we have the right people and the right plan in place, and now the facilities. So today for the open house, we've had several other teams and management that have attended today, other branches, and I can't tell you how that speaks to the community that we have here at Brandeis and how we have each other's back and want to see each other succeed and do good as far as other territories and other branches and other teammates. I noticed that a lot of employees with Brandeis were talking to a lot of our customers, some that they have met for the first time. That's very important for us because we talk to these guys on the phone and we never really put a face to a name. Today was a great opportunity to connect those dots, and that's what this is really about. The relationships that always brings us back together and keeps us moving forward. And we look forward to serving you for many years to come.